Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by prepping the sight pusher and the rifle so you can work quickly and safely. First, verify the specific Vism Sight Pusher head fits your optic's dovetail or base. This avoids slippage. Once done, gather the 1/4 hex driver, soft jaws, and a torque wrench. These give controlled force and protect the optic. Make sure the firearm is clamped in a padded vise and that contact points are covered. This prevents scratches and lets you apply steady, precise pressure. You now align and tension the pusher for controlled movement. Place the optic in the soft jaws and visually ensure the centerline of the pusher ram matches the optic's contact point. Proper alignment prevents binding. Next, set minimal initial tension and apply short, controlled pushes. This avoids sudden jumps. Increase pressure in small increments, checking fit and movement after each 0.5 to 1 millimeter. If the optic moves freely, you're doing it right. If it binds, back off and realign before continuing. You finish by locking the optic in its final position and verifying function. Once the sight sits where you want it, tighten the mount screws to the manufacturer's torque spec and avoid over-torquing. Clean mating surfaces and apply thread locker only if the mount manual calls for it. Too much can complicate future adjustments. Make sure optics retain 0 by dry firing or a bore sight check. If you encounter binding or uneven travel, stop, realign the jaws, reduce pressure, and reattempt the push carefully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.